I'm going to do a countdown. So what I want is I want to hear you all. 10,
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah!
Good evening everybody, welcome to today's vlog and welcome to Saturday. How we all doing today? You'll have to excuse my voice, a bit croaky. I think I'm coming down with Stephen's cold. Yeah, the last couple of days I had a bit of a horrible migraine and yeah, and also my throat hurt, and I woke up this morning absolutely full of cold. So again, it's always the way, isn't it? One person in the house gets it, someone else comes down with it. So but anyway, yeah, like I said, we're a bit late starting the vlog off today because it is the fireworks display. Really looking forward to the fireworks. They do them, oh somebody be careful of that puddle. They do the display here really nice, and one thing about it is it's sponsored by the F1 racing team we have here, so it's free to get into. They just ask for donations to the local charities and stuff. In my bag I've actually got my selfie stick as well, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I can get that in, and I hope I can vlog the fireworks holding onto the selfie stick rather than hold it onto my phone, which I'm doing at the minute. So, and one good thing is at least it's not raining as well, which is really one good thing as well. With someone and I are about coming down here because obviously it being on the school field, it can get really boggy when it's wet, can't it? But at least it's not raining now, which is one good thing. So but anyway, yeah, so we're meeting up with my mum, my dad, Becky, Dom and Amelia. Not too quite sure if Michelle and Zach are coming or not. I really do not know. We'll have to see them on see if they are and stuff like that. But I have actually got some ear defenders in my bag for Amelia. It's what Ben doesn't use anymore because like I said, Ben used to have to wear them all the time, but now he's not bothered or nothing like that. So yeah, and I'm not too quite sure what's actually on site as well. I think the F1 racing cars down there as well, actually, to be honest with you. But anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoy the fireworks. Obviously some of them probably might be copyright with the music and stuff, so we'll probably put our own music over the top of them, won't we, so to speak. I'm not too quite sure if the LED drummers are here as well. So anyway, yeah, enjoy the fireworks. Tell you what, Sammy, what news you will be wearing your hat, the light up hat. So yeah, this is what you actually got from Disneyland Paris when we went back in May. His other one stopped working, so yeah, it's ideal, isn't it? But it's like this. Samuel, are you taking that tomorrow? You're not answering.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, obviously we're going to Disneyland Ice tomorrow. I've been gifted tickets for Disneyland Ice. I'm really looking forward to that. I'm not too quite sure where I was sitting to you. All I know is we've got to pick our tickets up from the box office tomorrow morning. So yeah, so nice early trip to Birmingham tomorrow, isn't it? So yeah. But anyway, yes, like I said, we're just walking around after the school field as well. So hopefully it should be some little fireworks going off over there as well, isn't there, somewhere? So yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, the selfie stick will work. It's got a light on it as well. So yeah, it's pretty good actually. So I'm not too quite sure how many people are going to be down here or not, because there's so many things happening in town at the minute. It's unbelievable. Luckily we managed to find a parking space, which is one good thing. So yeah, okay, I'm quite shocked actually. It's not so busy as what I thought. It's only about 45 minutes until the fireworks go off anyway. But like I said, there's so much going on. The local football team are playing in the FA Cup first round today, so that kicked off at 5:30, so they're probably all down there. And we've got some big massive Halloween event going on as well, so that's a for charity. So oh well, it doesn't matter, does it? At least we have plenty of space and stuff around here as well. So I'm not too quite sure. Oh yeah, look over here, you've got some little stalls and stuff up here as well, and obviously around here you've got like the little foodie places and stuff as well. So oh, are they the LED? Oh yeah, look, they've got the LED drummers over there as well. They're really good as well. So I do need to be careful with copyright music anyway as well. So yeah, you've got the LED drummers here. They're pretty good actually when they do their shows and stuff. So yeah, when they do the show, I'll have to show what it's like and stuff. So but yeah, So yeah, my mic's one actually. While it's not busy, then now's like your opportunity to go and have a look around at all the stores and stuff, isn't it? So yeah, so we got ourselves a couple of pizzas to share. Tell you what, they weren't too bad actually for the price. Definitely a lot cheaper than what Domino's charged anyway. So yeah, they're the wood-file ones, and like I said, they are really, really nice. Look at that cheese, Paul Sammy, on your cheese pizza. How is that? Is that nice? So yeah, so when they do gluten-free as well. So Stephen and Ben are sharing a gluten-free pepperoni pizza as well. So Dan, how is that pizza? It's nice, isn't it? It is nice and warm actually, isn't it? So yeah, so just this representative talking now from the charity, the Mercedes, the F1 charity team have actually sponsored for this year as well. So yeah, so I think we found our spot actually for the fireworks now. We're staying here by the light anyway as well, I think. So hang on, Sammy, eat your pizza. Is that nice? Like I said, I need to set myself a stick up in a minute actually as well, so they're going to eat our pizzas first and do myself a stick, so that's a lot easier. So yeah, I don't know where my mum and that lot are. I know as we got on here they was just leaving, so I'm sure we'll bump into them in a minute. But yeah, as you can see, it's not busy whatsoever. I thought it would be absolutely packed, but it's not. That's what happens though, doesn't it, when you've got 2 or 3 events running at the same time. So but yeah, so anyway, going to eat our pizzas now, and then we'll see you for the fireworks in a moment.
Something a little bit different to what I've been playing.
So yeah, so we've got about 15 minutes to go, and you can see it's started to fill up a little bit now, hasn't it? It looks a bit packed over there, so we've moved a little bit because we're getting queued up in the queue a bit. So, but anyway, did you enjoy your pizza?
Yeah, I did.
That pizza was really nice, wasn't it? I know Ben certainly enjoyed his pizza. Yeah, so I've set up my memories. I set up the selfie stick now, so it's definitely not easy now because people got like a little LED light on here as well, hasn't it? So I'm hoping to get a good view for the fireworks and stuff like that as well. So yeah, so obviously the fireworks are here anyway, aren't they? So
on the sound today, they've been here all day. Down here just now there was a guy from the fireworks. They've been here all day setting the fireworks up ready to go. There's such a big team of people that come along here to make this event possible.
nice.
And even our singers down here.
Okay.
You're brilliant.
Anyway, are you ready for the fireworks? Are you ready for the fireworks? Do you know what Sammy said? Could we give him the Tales of Magic soundtrack?
Brilliant.
But something, don't get me wrong, it's nice that they do it, but it would be nice if maybe if the music was synced to the fireworks, wouldn't it? That's the only issue. But apart from that, well, so we got
Anyone lost the pink bubble hat?
it's got to be good that we do get it. We do got to be good if we do get it for free.
The audio's better this year.
It is actually. I have to be careful. I don't think how many copyright claims are going to get and stuff. So, anyway, Sammy, are you ready for the fireworks? Yeah. You ready for the fireworks?
I know you. It's not
Ready.
Right.
Ready.
I had a request to play a track.
Well, because we're going to play.
I wasn't going to play this tonight, but because I've had a request for it from down here.
What's that? K-pop Demon Hunters, I bet you.
It might well go down, you never know.
I bet it's K-pop Demon Hunters. Oh, it's not. It's YMCA, so
together
be
now.
careful now.
I'm going to do a countdown.
Are they losing?
So what I want is I want to hear you all. 10,
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay!
Find it in your mind, in your soul. Find it in the young, in the old. Find it in a friend, wherever you are. You don't have to run too far. Charmant petit Guadalupe, éveille-toi. You have it in your heart.
d'espoir, je ne serai pas là. Et pourtant, regarde.
Buzz Lightyear to Star Command. I've landed on a strange planet with a formidable fortress. We need to secure the area.
Viens à moi, ma proie.
Not today, sir. Look out! Whoa, so close. magic, and in our friendship. To infinity and beyond!
Like a flame that can't be extinguished, magic lives on in the memories of loved ones.
On n'oublie jamais la véritable magie. Elle perdure pour l'éternité.
That's not my father. It's just my reflection.
No. Look hard. You see, he lives in you. And the spirit of life
magic lives inside us all.
La véritable magie se trouve en chacun de nous. Alors partez à sa recherche et répandez-la autour de vous.
Find your magic, embrace it, and pass it on.
Yeah, so now we're out and about properly. What did you reckon to those fireworks?
Yeah, they're really good. The music went well, doesn't it?
It did do actually, didn't it? Yeah. Obviously, we could put...
Towards the end there, I felt like I was at the new Universal Studios watching the fireworks go off.
Why is that? Because I had the Gravity song and stuff there. So what did you reckon to the fireworks in Sully?
That was really good.
They were really good, wasn't they? So yeah, obviously, like I said, we're going to put our own music over the top, but they played... What did they play? Defying Gravity.
Played the Jurassic Park thing.
Oh yeah, Jurassic Park theme, didn't they?
Yeah,
and
sure they had Pirates of the Caribbean.
We did hear Pirates of the Caribbean on there and stuff as well. But yeah, like I said, they were timed a bit better actually, because normally they're all over the place. We have really, really beautiful fireworks. And then obviously we've probably got our one from our own house, probably next week. From the others, from the local private school, they obviously do their own fireworks and stuff. And it's nice because they're not far from where we are. We can actually watch them from the comfort of our own front door in the nice warm. But it's not cold though actually tonight though, really, is it?
Yeah, it's weird how it's gone just like Halloween yesterday and that's done already. It's like,
exactly.
Like, too close together.
It was too close together. Being honest with you, there's too much going on in the town today. You got to cross over the roads and something, yeah? I looked at them and we're parking the car because luckily we managed to park in weight trays, which wasn't too bad and stuff as well. So cross over the road, Sammy. So yeah, I really, really enjoyed taking my selfie stick. It's definitely not easier. We're not going to stop. But like I said, I'm not going to take it tomorrow with Disney on Ice, nothing like that, because I have a feeling they might take it off me as well tomorrow. So yeah, not too quite sure what I'm going to even film tomorrow yet, to be honest with you. I think I might just film bits and pieces tomorrow. I think we're just going to go enjoy it tomorrow, aren't we? I think, and just film bits. Like I said, I don't even know where we're sitting yet, to be honest with you as well. So, but anyway, yeah, I think we're going to end the vlog here now, aren't we? Yeah. Hope you enjoyed all the fireworks, and then we'll see you tomorrow for Disney on Ice. Bye, everybody.